Hello everyone, and welcome again to your daily dose of Amazon kitchen finds. Please like the video, it really helps me a lot. Enjoy effortless seasoning with this advanced grinder. It charges quickly using Type-C technology, saving you money on batteries. The one-handed automatic operation makes it convenient and efficient. Plus, you can adjust the coarseness to suit your taste. Simplify your kitchen prep with this innovative garlic tool. It peels, slices, dices, and grates garlic, providing you with multiple options. The clear container captures crushed garlic, and the smart cleaning blade makes maintenance a breeze. It's a must-have for any garlic lover. Simplify dishwashing with this soap dispenser and sponge holder. It has a large soap capacity and a leak-free design. You can easily refill it, and it keeps your sink area organized. Save countertop space with this compact dish drying rack. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and easy to clean. The rotatable water outlet ensures your countertop stays dry and tidy. Say goodbye to discomfort with this high-quality kitchen mat. It's made of soft PVC foam that provides excellent support and relief from muscle and joint pain. The non-slip diamond-shaped design keeps you safe, and it's easy to clean, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Tidy up your kitchen drawer with this set of wooden peg organizers. With adjustable wooden pegs, you can customize your storage to fit your needs. It's effortless to assemble, maximizing your storage space effectively. Keep your bread fresh with this spacious bread box. It can hold 2 large loaves, muffins, or rolls, preventing them from getting squished or stale. The high foot and deep back design protect your bread from moisture. Upgrade your kitchen with these durable, non-slip cutting boards. They feature quick draining micro-perforations and a juice groove to keep your workspace clean and safe. The set includes 3 sizes for various kitchen tasks. Tear paper towels effortlessly with this one-handed paper towel holder. It's designed to stay firmly in place without wobbling or tipping. Crafted from stainless steel, it's built to last and enhances your kitchen decor. Make cleaning a breeze with this electric scrubber. It's perfect for those with mobility issues or back problems. With 2 operating speeds and a long-lasting battery, it's efficient and reliable. The waterproof design ensures durability, even in wet conditions. Maximize your kitchen space with this hanging trash can. Its collapsible and wall-mountable design is perfect for small kitchens. Whether you're disposing of food waste or other items, it's versatile and space-saving. Keep your kitchen clean and organized. Upgrade your sink area with this stainless steel sponge holder. It offers a larger capacity and faster drying thanks to its innovative strip-shaped hole design. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, or garage to keep things tidy. Elevate your kitchen storage with this stylish rotating fruit basket. Assembler-free and easy to clean, it offers flexible rotation and removable baskets for convenient access to your fruits. Experience better organization with this stainless steel sponge holder. It boasts a larger capacity, removable drain pan, and faster drying, making it perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or garage. Make food prep a breeze with this stainless steel colander. It drains quickly without food getting stuck in tiny holes. The stable base ensures it won't tip over, and it's resistant to rust and corrosion. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with this turntable. It smoothly rotates 360 degrees, providing easy access to your condiments and spices. The open design with raised edges keeps items secure, and non-slip feet ensure stability. This set of 10 glass containers offers versatile storage options for your kitchen. They are safe for use in the oven, microwave, dishwasher, and freezer. With airtight and leak-proof lids, your food stays fresh longer. Organize your cookware with this durable and rust-proof pot rack. It offers 10 adjustable dividers to accommodate pots and pans of various sizes. The U-shaped groove design securely holds pot lids in place. Stay organized with this versatile set of food storage containers. The clear design allows for easy identification, and they come in various sizes to meet your storage needs. Made from safe and thickened plastic, they keep your food fresh longer.